She bought flowers for me. Did she bring flowers for me? तक समझ में आ रहे हैं? See, because brought was past tense, so we will use did, and when we use did, we change the verb into the first form, that is the root verb, which is the present bring. So root of brought is bring. Okay. Next, ninth one. The fisherman took his net to the river. Yes.
मैम क्वेश्चन मार्क लगाया आपने, हम इंटरोगेटिव है सेंटेंस.
Interrogative, we have to change the sentence into interrogative. No? Like Shanvi, yes, unmute yourself, Shanvi. Yes, Shanvi.
Ma'am, screen is not clear.
Shanvi, okay, is it now clear to you? Check it once.
Ma'am.
Okay. Next one is,
I have a problem.
next is the fisherman took his net to the driver. Took is past tense, so we'll use did. Did the fisherman take? Okay.
Ma'am, this is like this. Did the fisherman take his net to the river?
Then the last one is, Gopi followed his father through the crowd. Followed is past tense, so we will write did Gopi follow.
Did Gopi follow?
Did Gopi follow? These are the two changes. Did Gopi follow his father through the crowd? His father through the crowd. Okay. कौन आ रहा है बार-बार? Okay. Okay, yes, Vedanchi, any with Yashika, what is the problem? Unmute yourself, Yashika.
मैम, वो हाफ yearly पेपर में कौन कौन से चैप्टर आ रहे हैं?
You will get the syllabus, Vedanchi. Maybe tomorrow you will get the syllabus, then you will come to know. And still, I'll let you know, in your grammar, chapter number 5 to 8, 24, 25, 31, 33 and 35.
मैम 5 to 8.
Yeah, I'll write it on the board for you. Okay? Chapter number 5 to 8, 24 and 25, 31, 34 and 35. Got it? Okay, now
Yes.
shall we continue? Okay.
ये रहे. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will leave exercise number F for 1 minute. Okay. We will not do exercise number F first. We'll come to the next page 101. All of you. Should I erase? Everybody has done this. Everybody has done this exercise number E 7, 8, 9 and 10.
Yes.
Okay.
जल्दी से मैम ये आपको समझ नहीं आएगा अभी उसमें. मैम आई हैव अ प्रॉब्लम. मैम दशराज.
Yes, Daksh, ask.
मैम साइज ई का 6 वाला मैम मेरा नहीं हो रहा.
Which part? Exercise?
ई.
E. exercise E. See, I have completed exercise E. Now I will give you the notes. You can complete your exercise from there now. Okay.
Express E.
Exercise
Ma'am, sixth one.
6. The zookeeper kept the animals in
Sixth one
comfort.
only.
Okay, 6. You will write, did the zookeeper keep? Okay, write, did the zookeeper keep? Okay, you will write, make these two changes. Did zookeeper keep? Got it? The animals in comfort. The animals in comfort. Got it? Dutch?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Now come to page number 101. In this, we will be now learning how to form an interrogative sentence. How to form an interrogative sentence by using the words like what, when, where, how. Okay, who, whose. Now, you might, many times you are asked a question, how old are you? What is your name? See, when these are the interrogative sentences which have been formed using the words like what, when, how, where, whose. Okay, but the exercise which we have done in the previous were those in which we have formed the question using the helping verb. That is the form of be, form of have, and form of do. That is am, are, was, were, has, have, had, do, does, did. Okay. But now we will learn how to form the questions interrogative sentence using the words like what and what, where. Okay. Now it says that when we use such kind of words, what, when, where, why, in those sentences, when we form the interrogative, first we write the question word. First we write the question word. And these question words are what, where, whose, when, all these question words. And then after that, we put the first verbs of do. That is do, does, or did. We use the first word of the verb, that is do, does, or did. And then we put the subject. Okay. And then we write the subject. This is how we form an interrogative sentence using the question words which are what, where, when, and whose. Okay. For example, I need some brushes. I need some brushes. This is what, it's a statement. Okay. And some brushes, I am underlining it. Now you have to frame the question of this sentence so that the answer you get is some brushes. Okay. I will also give you one hint that you can start your question by using the question word what. I need some brushes. Anybody who would like to frame a question?
What I need some brushes.
Very good. But there is one mistake. I'll tell you that. See, first we will use a question word what. Okay. I need what. See what. Then we will use who, does, or did. Okay. What. Then we will use do.
What
I becomes you. Yeah. What do you? And then the. See, this is the question word. This is the verb of do, does, or did. Then the subject, and then the remaining part of the sentence. What do you need? Which is the main word. And then the question mark. What? What? Yes. Anybody is asking something? And this, see, also again, what you will keep in mind is that how will you come to know that we are using do, does or did, it depends upon the subject. Okay, it depends upon the subject which we will be using after it. So with you, I, we, you, they, we use do. Okay, so we have used do over here. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
It is the same rule of do, does and did, which you all, I hope you all remember that if the subject is I, we, you, they, or plural noun, we use do, he, she, it, singular noun, we use does, and if it is in past tense, we use did. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is it clear? This only, this is the important thing, that how do we form a question or interrogative sentence by using the question word. First put the question word, then do, does, did, and then the subject. Is it clear?
Yes,
See, example, now look into the exercise number H. We'll do along with it so that the doubts become more clear to you all. Okay? We'll try solving the exercise right now. See, exercise number H. Can you see? I'm not erasing this so that you can keep this rule in mind. Exercise number H. First one. Okay? My father is a bank manager. In this exercise, you are given the answer whose question is to be formed, and also the question word is given to you. My father is a bank manager. Anybody would like to frame the question? Okay, frame the question. Anybody? Anybody? What? See, we are given the question. So first, what is the question word? It is what? Okay. Now look into the subject of the sentence. Father, my father. It's singular first person, so we'll use what? We will use singular from singular noun. We will use does. What does?
You.
The question does, and then the subject. Who is the subject? My father. What does? So my father will become your father. Okay. Your father, because first person or first person changes into the second person. What does? Because we ask the question to the other person, na? So what does your father? Then what we will put is a bank manager. For a bank manager, how will you put? What does your father? Anybody? Anybody can give the answer. You can write down in the chat box also. Okay. Yes, Navya, give the answer, Navya. Navya Singh. Okay, I'll unmute you. Yes, Navya.
Yes,
What does your
ma'am. Ma'am, what I
father?
want to do,
Complete the sentence.
what does your father? My father is a bank manager.
What does your father know? What does your father do? We put a question also, na? What does your father do? आपके
Excuse me,
पापा क्या
ma'am.
करते
We are
हैं?
doing exercise.
Yes, Navya, we are doing exercise.
Ma'am, don't mute me.
Answer the question, ma'am.
Okay, next is he is playing in the park. You have to begin the sentence with where. I will unmute the student only. The student will give the answer. Yes, Samar, unmute yourself. Samar Singh. Samar Singh, unmute yourself. Kartavya, give the answer. Jitesh, Arshita, unmute yourself. Yes, Sid Sharma wants to give the answer. Unmute yourself, Sid. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
With the second one, he is playing in the park. In this sentence, is in the park is the answer, and you have to start your question with where.
Where is he
Very
playing?
good. Second is where. See, first the question was where is
Where does he?
he playing? Very good. He is playing in the park. Next is very good. Who else? You can raise your hands also. Ankita, do you want to give the answer? Vikram, Ankita? Okay, Ankita, unmute yourself.
Bye.
Next
Yes,
is
ma'am.
I came by bus. You have to begin with how.
Ma'am, what question? Ma'am,
I came
ma'am.
by bus. Third one. C. You have answers.
Homework. Ma'am,
Yes, Ankita.
ma'am, question. Ma'am, please.
Bharat.
Yes, Ankita.
Ma'am, question. Ma'am.
You have to third. Exercise H. Third.
can give.
Ma'am, repeat question.
It is third. I came by bus.
I am taking my bus in the school.
Oh no.
Ma'am, please.
Look into the sentence first. If there is a sentence,
Ma'am, I can go.
there is a sentence. Yes,
Ma'am,
give.
how
Unmute yourself.
you came?
Unmute
How you
yourself.
came? How you came?
How did you came?
How I came? How you?
Yes.
How you came?
And what about who does or did? How
How does?
does? No. See. Okay, listen.
How did you came?
Okay, listen. Can you see the came word given in the sentence? Came. Okay. It is came is past tense. Okay. So this in the statement sentence or the answer sentence, you will look into the verb first. Verb ko dekho. It is came, which is past tense. So we will be using did. Okay. If it would have been present tense as in the first one, first and second, first or second में is था, which is present tense, and in second it was is playing, which is also present tense. So we use one of the two, do or does. Okay. But in the third, came is written. Came is what? Past tense. So it is clear that when we will form its question, interrogative sentence, then instead of do or does, we will use did. Okay. So it becomes how did.
Ma'am,
Okay.
how did I came in bus?
Okay. How did I came by bus? How did I की जगह क्या हो जाएगा? Second person. First person pronoun will change into second person. How did you
Came.
came? Think. जब हम did लगाते हैं वर्ब का कौन सा फॉर्म किया था हमने अभी लास्ट एक्सरसाइज में किया था. Came की जगह क्या हो जाएगा?
Come.
Very good. It will become come. Remember, think. When we use did, we bring the root form of the verb, which is the first form of the verb, present tense. Came का first form हो जाता है come, root form. So how did you come? I came by bus. Is it clear? Is it clear to everybody now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next is fourth one. Look into the sentence carefully. I usually go to bed at 10 a.m. Now the question you have to begin with when. I usually go to bed at 10 p.m. Begin the sentence with when. Okay. And look in first, you will write the question word. Second step is you will see the verb of the sentence. आप वर्ब देखोगे और उससे पहचानोगे वो प्रेजेंट टेंस में है या पास्ट टेंस में है. If it is in present, you will use do or does depending upon the subject. If the verb is past, you will use did. Now tell me. Go to bed. Go to is
How did?
no. How many? When? Yes, Bhavya.
Ma'am, when you go to the bed?
When do does did something you have to use.
When do you go to the bed?
Okay, we use do. When do. We have used do because I is the first person. We will use the second person. For I we use you, and also for you we use do. So when do you go to when do you go to
मैम मैंने
bed?
ऐसे वाली पूरी एक्सरसाइज कर ली.
Okay, very good. Next is fifth one. The principal will give away the prize.
मैम
Now see, when in the sentence the answer is in the beginning itself, then we don't have to make any changes in the remaining part of the sentence. भव्या, आप लोग बीच में बोलते हो. Yes, भव्या.
मैम who will give away the prizes?
The principal will give away the prizes. The answer is who will give away the prizes. Okay. And write it on the top. Fifth one. Who will give away the prizes? Now there is no changes in this remaining part because the answer was the subject, the principal. Okay. This is my uncle's house. Those who wants to give, they can only raise hand. Karthik, Meena, unmute yourself. Yes, Karthik.
Ma'am, whose house is this?
Very good. Whose house? Sixth one is whose house is this? This is whose house is? It's it. Not this. It is it. Whose house is it? It is my uncle's house. Now you have to note down one important point, and that is when we use whose. Okay, when we use whose to frame an interrogative sentence, we do not use do, does, or did. Okay, only with this whose. Only with this whose question we do not use do, does, or did. Okay. Yes, Sonakshi, do you want to give the answer? Next one, Sonakshi. Unmute yourself. And Navya,
Yes,
Meena, you too.
Ma'am, which question?
Seventh one. They said they were getting late.
What they said to you?
What?
What? I will give the answer in chat box.
Okay, very good.
What did they said? And
What did they?
What did they said? What did they said?
Very good.
What they said
It
to
is
you?
what
Did
see. Okay, just a second.
what did they
Okay,
said?
okay. See, because in this sentence there is said, which is past tense, so we will use did. What did they? And for said we will use say. The reason is because we have used did over here, so we will use first form of verb, that is root verb say. What did they say? Is it clear? Is it clear to everybody? Yes, Riddhi.
Ma'am, I know the
Open your
answer of
videos.
8.
Open your videos, everybody.
Ma'am, I know the answer of 8.
It's very good. Okay. Okay. Next is I reach the school late because our bus was caught in
Ma'am, I
traffic
give
jam.
the answer. Ma'am, I give the answer.
Yeah. Eight one.
Why we reach the school
Why
late
did
because
be slow to repeat? Why did give me why did
ma'am, why did we
be no in the
no ma'am
sentence I was the subject, so you will use second person pronoun. I becomes
you ma'am, I
You.
don't understand this.
see in a sentence if I ask see I am talking to you Riddhi, so I do
Yeah.
what are you doing? Okay, but when you will answer me you will not say you are studying. Okay, you will say I am studying. So in a question if we use second person pronoun you we are talking to second person, right? So in the answer, as you can see, it is written I is written in the first person, so in the question it should be second person because somebody else is asking you the question. Okay.
Ma'am,
You are
so this is
saying,
like this.
so you are answering, I reached school late. So what will be my question? Why did
I read.
you? Beta, I am asking to you now. See, I
Yeah,
am
okay,
talking
ma'am.
to you. I am talking to you, and I am again and again saying you. But you are talking I. But what are you saying to yourself? I. I am studying. I am writing. I have a problem. I have done. I want to give the answer. Okay. So, why
Okay,
did
ma'am.
you
Ma'am, why did you reach the school
reach? Check the
late?
verb.
Because.
Check the verb. Reached or reach.
Yes, ma'am, reach.
We have used did over here. So why did you reach
Reach
the school
the
late?
school
Reach
late
the
because. School
school
late
late. Okay,
because
why did you reach the
our
school
bus has catched
late?
in a traffic jam.
Got it now, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this was the exercise in which we formed the interrogative sentence by using the question words what, where, when, whose, how, why. Okay. Remember, when we use all these question words, we have to, after this question word, we use who, does, or did. We use do and does if the verb in the answer is in present tense, and if the verb in the answer of the statement is in past tense, and we use did. Also, only for whose, that is, if we use just whose word to frame an interrogative sentence, we do not use do, does, or did. This is the only exception. Okay? Okay to everybody? Yes, Navya, unmute yourself. Now,
Ma'am, what is the first form of took? Ma'am?
yeah, first form of what?
Ma'am, I want to translate in interrogative the sentences. The fisherman took his net
Take.
to the river.
Take. Take.
Take.
It's
Okay, ma'am.
take.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, see the last. Now I will explain you the last form of the last topic of this lesson. That is
Ma'am, question
syntax.
tags.
Yes, now
Ma'am, it's
please don't
question
speak.
tags.
Please don't speak anything. Okay, you can give the answer. Okay.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
now the last one is question tag. Now, see, many
Ma'am, please
times,
don't mute me.
many people are in the habit of saying a sentence, and or many times we also do. We say a statement, a sentence. We ask a question also. And that question is on the statement which we have said prior. And that question which we put is known as a question tag. Okay. For example, I say, you are tired, aren't you? In this first, I have given the statement, you are tired. तुम थक गए हो. नहीं थके, aren't you? Okay. So, you are tired, comma, aren't you? Okay. And you. Can you see, look into the sentence? This sentence, as I told you, is divided into two parts. You are tired. It's a statement, okay? Statement. And this, which is asking the question depending upon the first statement itself. You are tired, aren't you? Okay. So this is the question tag of a sentence. Is it clear? Is it clear to you or now? You can raise your hand, or if you have any problem, you can ask me.
Ma'am,
Keep your
like a
videos
short
on.
form.
Keep your video. Yeah. No, I'll tell you what the short form is. See. Yes, Lakshita. But let me speak first. Okay. See. This is short forms is something else, and question tag
This
is
is
something
something
else. This is question tag. Question tag means after a statement we put a question, okay, and then the question which we put, which is depending upon the statement, is known as question tag. But short form you are saying is, this is the short form are, not, you. This is something else, okay. This are not is written, all the words are written completely ARE, not. But when we are writing it in the short way, AREN apostrophe, this is short form. Navya got it? This short form is something else, but we are talking about question tag.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
That
I
is
got
we
it.
are,
Okay, ma'am.
that is we are putting a question. Get the confirmation of the statement said priorly. Got it? The question to get the confirmation of the statement said priorly. Another important thing, they are not angry with me. See, this is the second one. They are not angry with me. Are they?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah,
Ma'am, ma'am, it's not question tag is like short question.
yeah. But this question will depends upon the statement which is written prior.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
They are not angry with me.
Clearing my
Now,
doubt.
in this sentence, if you look, just a second, while I will come to you also, okay? See, they are not angry with me. This is the statement part. And then we are
Yes,
putting a question, are they?
I do.
Got it? Now, if you look into these both sentences, you will observe that you are tired. It's a positive statement. Can you see that? It's a statement, but what kind of statement? Positive statement.
Positive.
Positive.
So we have put the question tag which is negative, are not. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Are, okay, it is negative.
Nahi, negative.
Okay. So if the
Positive and
statement,
negative.
yeah, if the statement is positive, we put the negative question tag.
Negative.
Got it? And in the second sentence, you can see it is negative. It
Yes.
is
Ma'am, it is,
negative
Negative.
there is not.
statement. Okay. It's a
Negative
negative statement.
statement.
So the question tag which we have used is positive. Okay.
Positive question tag.
Very good. Got it?
If
This
the
only
statement
rule,
is, if the statement is
you have to keep
negative
in mind. Statement is positive, negative question tag. Statement
and
is
if
negative,
negative,
positive
positive
question
question tag. Okay, ma'am. I
tag. Is
said.
it clear?
Yes.
Another important thing, this was the first important thing which you need to be know, and the second important thing is that look the subject over here in the statement. You are tired. Look at the subject.
Aren't you?
It's
Aren't
you.
you?
When we are forming the question tag, we have used you over here. Are you? Because
Aren't
we
you?
are asking to the person who is mentioned in the statement sentence. Okay. They are not angry with me. We have used the subject they over here. Are they? So these two important things are only to be kept in mind when you are changing the sentence or you are using the question tag in a sentence. Is
Okay,
it
ma'am.
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
if you look on page number 101 in your book, can you see the last third example? He is not cheating us. He is not cheating. It's negative.
Is he?
So
Is he?
yeah, he is. Okay, and this also we are to use are or not or is and are. What is to be used? It is given in the statement sentence only.
Ma'am, I
Are
have a
is very
doubt.
happy. Are we are using aren't. They are not aren't. He is cheating. Is so the helping word is in the prior sentence. So we will use is he.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in this.
Yes, you can ask.
Ma'am, if the statement is positive, so the question tag is negative, like opposite.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Got it now, all of you? On the basis
Yes, ma'am.
first positive, negative, negative, positive. Second, keep in mind the subject. Third, keep in mind the helping verb with which you will frame the question tag. It should be what is given in the statement sentence. Yes, Payal, you can unmute yourself now, bete. Yes, Payal. Unmute yourself, Payal. Yes. Loudly, beta. Yes. Payal, I cannot hear you. Either speak loudly or you can write down in the chat box, Payal. I cannot hear you, beta.